This is a 2012 Ford Focus. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, full power accessories, a CD player, a four-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, air conditioning, and a multi-link rear suspension. With an EPA estimated rating of 36 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Central Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 5645 Firestone Boulevard in Southgate.